Good morning, students. Welcome to the English classes. I am hoping you are all fit and fine. So, let's begin our today's English period. In the last period, we have discussed up to here. We have discussed the chapter The Parrot Who Wouldn't Talk, and we have reached up to this point. Okay, and I had given you the homework to write the hard words in your book. I am hoping that everyone has completed their homework. So now, today we will move further to a chapter, The Parrot Who Wouldn't Talk. Okay, but before moving further, let me give you a short summary of what we have studied till now. Okay, so in our the chapter The Parrot Who Wouldn't Talk, we had discussed that the author was growing up in Missouri, and all the neighbors who were living near the author's house kept a pet parrot or a parakeet. Okay, and those birds learned to talk. They would say, "Study, child, study," or "Don't be greedy, don't be greedy." Okay, they learned that words from their household members. But the problem was that the parrot of our author was refused to talk. Okay, the parrot which the child had was refused to talk. वो बात नहीं कर रहा था और वो कुछ बोल भी नहीं रहा था. The parrot was bought by the aunt Ruby from a bird catcher. Okay, Aunt Ruby had bought the parrot, and when Aunt Ruby bought the parrot, what was grandmother and grandfather saying? They were saying that we do not want this caged bird as a pet. हमें पिंजरे में बंद हुआ पक्षी नहीं चाहिए. But what did Aunt Ruby do? She insisted that she only want that parrot as a pet. She did not want anything else. Okay, so then what happened? After buying the parrot, Aunt Ruby was trying to make him talk. Okay, Aunt Ruby को पैरट ही बहुत पसंद था और वो उसे बोलना सिखाना चाहती थी. ओके, बट द पैरट डिड नॉट लाइक द आंट रूबी. पैरट को आंट रूबी ज़रा भी पसंद नहीं थी. देन वन डे व्हाट हैपन? आंट रूबी वाज ट्राइंग टू टीच पैरट हाउ टू टॉक, and then she moved her face to the parrot and she said, "Kiss, kiss." Okay, but then what did parrot do? Parrot came close near the bars of the cage, and what did he do? He pushed out the spectacles of Aunt Ruby. उसने Aunt Ruby के चश्मे खींच लिए. Okay, and after that Aunt Ruby did not like the parrot anymore. Okay, इसके बाद Aunt Ruby को parrot ज़रा भी पसंद नहीं आता. वो क्या कहती थी उसके बाद parrot को? You are useless, can't talk, can't sing or can't dance. Okay, तो कुछ काम का नहीं है, ना कुछ बोल सकता है, ना ही गा सकता है और ना ही डांस कर सकता है. ओके, then what was the next thing? The next thing was that the grandmother put the child in charge of feeding the parrot. Okay, अब grandmother ने child को parrot की खिलाने की जिम्मेदारी दे दी थी. Okay, the child was very happy to take green chilies, pieces of papayas and ripe tomatoes from my hands. Okay, parrot was very happy to take all of them from the child's hand. Okay, the child also gave the parrot slices of the mango, and he was also taking few mangoes while feeding the parrot. But what happened one afternoon? When one afternoon everyone was in the dining room, okay, and the child gave the parrot his lunch, but by mistake he left the cage door open, and seconds later the parrot flew away from the cage and sat on the mango tree. Okay. At the same time, grandfather came to veranda and said, I see your aunt's parrot has escaped. Okay. गलती से चाइल्ड ने पिंजरे का दरवाज़ा खुला छोड़ दिया और क्या हुआ, पैरॉट भाग गया पिंजरे में से. ओके. और उसी वक्त ग्रैंडफादर वरांदा में आए और बोले कि तुम्हारी आंटी का पैरॉट भाग गया है. ओके. हमने यहाँ तक हमारी लास्ट पीरियड में किया था. ओके. सो नाउ वी विल मूव फर्दर इन अवर चैप्टर. ओके. अब हम इसके आगे बढ़ेंगे. ओके. I am very sorry. I left the door open by mistake, I said. Aunt Ruby was upset. She wanted to buy another parrot. We promised to buy her a bowl of gold fish instead. I thought that we would never see the parrot again, but maybe he missed his green chilies. A few days later, I found the bird sitting on the veranda railing and looking at me. Unselfishly, I gave him my mango. Just then, Aunt Ruby came outside and cried out, Look, it's my parrot. He must have missed me. Okay. So now after that, what happened? The parrot has escaped. Okay. And the child was very sorry. But why he was very sorry? Because he left the door open by mistake. Okay. उसने पिंजरे का दरवाज़ा गलती से खुला छोड़ दिया था. ओके. देन व्हाट हैपन, आंट रूबी वॉज वेरी अपसेट. आंट रूबी बहुत ही नाराज़ हो गई. ओके. शी वॉन्टेड टू बाय अनदर पैरॉट बट वी प्रोमिस्ड टू बाय हर अ बाउल ऑफ गोल्ड फिश. ओके. नाउ द पैरॉट हैज एस्केप्ड. आंट रूबी वॉज वेरी अपसेट एंड देन व्हाट शी डिड, शी डिसाइडेड दैट आई वॉन्ट टू बाय अनदर पैरॉट. ओके. मुझे एक और पैरॉट खरीदना है. बट वॉट डिड द ग्रैंड मदर, ग्रैंडफादर एंड द चाइल्ड सेड टू हर, दे प्रोमिस्ड हर टू बाय अ बाउल ऑफ गोल्ड फिश. ओके. गोल्ड फिश मीन्स द फिश विथ गोल्डन कलर. ओके. दे प्रोमिस्ड Aunt Ruby that we would buy a bowl of gold fish instead of a new parrot. Now everyone were thinking that they won't see the parrot again. सभी यही सोच रहे थे कि पैरॉट कभी लौट के वापस नहीं आएगा. But maybe he missed his green chilies. A few days later, I found the bird sitting on a veranda railing and looking at me. सब यही सोच रहे थे कि अब पैरॉट वापस नहीं आया. ओके. नहीं आएगा. तब कुछ दिनों के बाद क्या हुआ, कुछ दिनों के बाद चाइल्ड को लगता था कि वो अपनी ग्रीन चिलीज को मिस कर रहा है. ओके. ही गेव हिम ग्रीन चिलीज एवरी डे. सो द चाइल्ड थॉट ही विल मिस माई ग्रीन चिलीज विच आई वॉज गिविंग टू द पैरॉट. देन what did the child see? The child see a bird was sitting in the veranda railing and looking at me. Unselfishly, I gave him half of my mango. उसके बाद चाइल्ड ने क्या किया? He gave a piece of mango to that bird. Okay. Then at that moment, Aunt Ruby just came out. Just then, Aunt Ruby came outside and cried out, Look, it's my parrot. He must have missed me. At that moment, Aunt Ruby came out and she cried out. Cried out means to speak loudly in pain. She cried out that, Look, it's my parrot. देखो ये वही पैरॉट है. ओके. He must have missed me. उसको मेरी बहुत याद आ रही होगी. ओके. क्लियर अप टू हियर? So turn out to the next page, page number 3. Quickly the parrot flew to the nearest rose bush. He looked angrily at my aunt and shrieked, "You are useless, can't talk, can't sing, or can't dance." Okay, then what happened? From the veranda railing, the parrot moved to the rose bush. Rose bush means a plant of rose. Okay, then the parrot looked very angrily at Aunt Ruby. Okay, and what did he say? "You are useless, can't talk, can't sing, can't dance." पैरोट ने बहुत गुस्से से आंट रूबी की तरफ देखा और क्या बोला कि तुम कुछ काम के नहीं हो, ना कुछ बोल सकते हो, ना ही गा सकते हो और ना ही नाच सकते हो. ओके, द पैरॉट रिपीटेड द वर्ड्स ऑफ आंट रूबी. ओके, अब पैरॉट भी बोलना सीख गया था और जो जो वर्ड्स आंट रूबी ने पैरॉट को बोले थे वो सेम वर्ड्स पैरॉट ने आंट रूबी को वापस बोले. ओके, Aunt Ruby turned ruby red and ran inside. The parrot became the regular visitor to our garden. ये बात सुन के आंट रूबी को बहुत ही शर्म आई. ओके, क्यों? क्योंकि आंट रूबी ने पैरॉट को ये बात कई बार बोली थी कि तुम कुछ काम के नहीं हो, ना कुछ बोल सकते हो, ना गा सकते हो और ना ही नाच सकते हो. ऐसा आंट रूबी ने पैरॉट को कई बार बोला था. कब? जब वो पिंजरे में बंद था. ओके, उसके बाद वो भाग गए और जब थोड़े दिनों के बाद वो वापस आया तब पैरॉट आंट रूबी के वर्ड्स ही रिपीट करता था और आंट रूबी को ही अपनी बोली हुई बात पैरॉट ने सुनाई और वो सुन के आंट रूबी को बहुत ही शर्म आई और वो अंदर भाग गई. The parrot became the regular visitor to our garden. उसके बाद पैरॉट हमारे गार्डन में रोज आता था. ओके, whenever he saw Aunt Ruby, he would call out, "You are useless, can't talk, can't sing, or can't dance." और जब भी वो आंट रूबी की तरफ देखता था वो एक ही चीज़ बोलता था, "You are useless, can't talk, can't sing, or can't dance." The parrot had learned to talk after all. और ऐसे ही वो पैरॉट है वो बोलना सीख गया. ओके, सो वी हैव फिनिश्ड अवर chapter number 1, The Parrot Who Wouldn't Talk. Okay, so the author of this chapter is Ruskin Bond. Okay, so now everyone take your pencil and underline the hard words. Okay, सभी अपनी पेंसिल ले लीजिए. हमने लास्ट में एस्केप्ड तक हार्ड वर्ड्स किए थे. ओके, सो नाउ वी विल मूव फर्दर. सो द फर्स्ट वर्ड इज upset. UPSET. Underline the word upset. Second is promised. PROMISED. Underline the word promised. Third one is goldfish. Underline the word goldfish. Fourth one is missed. Underline the word missed. Fifth one is railing. Underline the word railing. Sixth one is unselfishly. underline the word unselfishly. Seventh one is cried out. Underline the word cried out. Now turn out to the next page. Eighth one is rose bush. Underline the word rose bush. Ninth one is angrily. Underline the word angrily. Now the 10th one is regular visitor. Regular visitor. 11th one is learned. Underline the word learned. Now I will explain you the hard words one by one. Okay, so now the first one is UPSET. 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 Upset means to become sad. Okay, upset means निराश होना. Okay, to become very sad, it means upset. Now the second one is promised. 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 Promised means to promise someone. Okay, किसी को वादा करना. Okay, promised means to promise someone. Okay, now the third one is missed. 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 Missed means to miss someone. किसी को याद करना. Okay. Now the fourth one is RAILING. 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 Railing means a fence made up of wooden bars around our house. Okay. Railing means a fencing made up of wooden bars अराउंड अवर हाउस. हमारे घर के आजू बाजू में जो फेंसिंग की हो गई है लकड़ी के टुकड़ों से, उसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? रेलिंग. ओके, रेलिंग मीन्स द फेंसिंग. फिफ्थ वन इज गोल्ड फिश. GOLDFISH. गोल्ड फिश. गोल्ड फिश मीन्स द फिश विथ गोल्डन color. Okay, the fish with golden color. Now the sixth one, unselfishly. 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 Unselfishly means to think about someone else first without thinking out ours. ओके, अपने फ़ायदे के बारे में सोचे बिना किसी और के बारे में सोचना. इट मीन्स अनसेल्फिशली. ओके, टू थिंक अबाउट समवन एल्स rather than thinking about are. Now the seventh one is cried out. CRIEDOUT. Cried out. Cried out means to speak in a loud voice in pain. ओके ऊंची आवाज में बहुत ही दुखी होके बोलना. इट मीन्स cried out, to speak in a loud voice with pain. Now the eighth one is rose bush. ROSEBUSH. rose bush. ओके रोज का मतलब तो आपको पता ही होगा. इट इज अ फ्लावर. ओके एंड बुश मीन्स प्लांट. So it means a rose plant. Okay, rose bush means a rose plant. Now the ninth one is angrily. 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 Angrily means with too much of anger. बहुत ही गुस्से में. Okay, angrily means with too much of anger, to speak something with too much of anger. ओके कोई भी बात बहुत ही गुस्से में बोलना. डेट मीन्स एंग्रीली. नाउ द टेंथ वन इज रेगुलर विजिटर. रेगुलर विजिटर. REGULAR VISITOR. रेगुलर विजिटर. इट मीन्स टू विजिट रेगुलरली. ओके रेगुलर विजिटर का मतलब क्या होता है? जो रोज़ रोज़ किसी जगह पे विजिट करते हैं उनको हम क्या बोलेंगे? रेगुलर विजिटर. ओके जो रोज़ रोज़ एक ही जगह पे जाते हैं तो उसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? रेगुलर विजिटर. द 11th वन इज लर्नड. LEARNED. लर्नड. इट मीन्स टू लर्न समथिंग. ओके कोई भी चीज़ को सीख लेना. ओके लर्नड मीन्स कोई भी चीज़ को सीख लेना. ओके so we have completed all our hard words. So now your today's homework is you have to write all of these hard words in your book. ओके आपको ये सभी हार्ड वर्ड्स लिखने हैं. और इसी के साथ हमारा फर्स्ट चैप्टर कंप्लीट हो गया. ओके फर्स्ट चैप्टर का एक्सप्लेनेशन पार्ट कंप्लीट हो गया. व्हाट वी डिड? First we did this warm-up activity. Okay, then we have started the first chapter, the parrot wouldn't talk. We have discussed the characters. Okay, then उसके बाद हमने चैप्टर को पूरा सबसे पहले रीड किया. ओके then we have discussed the meanings. ओके उसके बाद हमने चैप्टर्स के मीनिंग्स किए. then we have started our chapter. Along with it we have also done the hard words. Okay जैसे जैसे हमने चैप्टर चालू किया तो चैप्टर ही के साथ ही हमने हार्ड वर्ड्स भी थोड़े थोड़े बांट दिए. ओके पार्टली. सो चैप्टर के लास्ट में हमें एक साथ इतने सारे हार्ड वर्ड्स ना करने पड़े और आपको भी इजी लगे. ओके सो वी हैव डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड द हार्ड वर्ड्स पार्टली. So now then we have finished our explanation part of our chapter. Okay I hope you understood the first chapter, the parrot who wouldn't talk. Okay so we are ending our period here. Thank you so much.